Hi, this is Ben with racegraphics.com again, and on this tutorial we're going to talk about the clip art feature and what you can do with it and just a little bit more about it. So I've got the mini stock car pulled up here and I'm just going to pull it up, and one of the main thoughts when we put the clip art in the site was that you could come in here and if you didn't like our themes you could kind of mash together your own. That would be one possible use you could use. So we're just going to do something crazy here. We're going to go into the dragons. So there's just all sorts of stuff in here, and I'm going to pick just kind of a crazy one here with two colors. Let's pick this one here. And basically there's two colors on here. There's white and black, and both of the colors can be customized. We can make them whatever color we want, and we can add the inner bevel effect to it if we want. So by clicking layer 1 or layer 2, we're toggling which layer we're changing the color of. So you can see how this changes the color of that layer. And let's make the outline a camo color, or let's do flames. And we can also turn on the inner bevel, and on layer 2 we can do a gradient. So that looks kind of neat. Then we can also turn on the bevel on that layer if we want, and maybe a little too much. So just real quick there, you can make something kind of neat, and you can make it any size you want. We can make it pretty small, down to 5 or 10 inches wide probably, or we can make it really big. We can make it to fit on the side of a trailer if you want. The important thing to realize here on the clip art is that everything is printed. If you see on the left here, it doesn't say specialty, fluorescent, there's chrome, diamond plate, glitter chrome, but it's all printed. We don't lay up vinyl on this, we digitally print it just the same way we would digitally print a full wrap or a half wrap. We print it on air release vinyl with laminate on top of it, and it's really the same kind of process, and it's cut out depending on what you get. So at that point you can just hit done, and it's going to pop up here, and what you'll need to do is stretch it the size that you want it. Okay, and one common thing you're going to run into a lot is that you're going to want it facing the other direction, so that's where you hit the flip horizontally, and now it's facing the direction we want, and then you can hit done, and there it is. So just real quick there, we made kind of our own clip art, and we made our own half wrap that really nobody else will have anything like that. So you might want to put it on the right side too. So let's click on the right side, and we'll click Design Library, and let's click the only thing we've got in here and hit done. And it is facing the right direction this time. See, flip horizontally is still unchecked, so we hit done, and there it is. It's just on the other side. So now that you've got your clip art on both sides of your car, you can hit continue, and you'll get a quick proof here of what you just designed. And if everything looks correct, you can hit purchase, and basically the site knows that you've designed the same clip art, but you've just put it on opposite sides of the car, so it's the same size on both sides of the car, which is correct. It's just flipped. One side's flipped and one side isn't. So we take care of that for you. You don't have to worry about it because we know it's a left and a right side. And really all you need to do from here is just verify the size is correct. If the size is right, and you could just hit add to cart, both of them, or you can hit add selected to cart. So let's go ahead and go to the cart, and you can see both on here, and since one was flipped horizontally, it's facing the opposite direction just like it should be. Now what's important to notice here is that the thumbnail is sort of stretched to fit in the space, but what you'll get will be a properly sized according to what you entered in the site.